Welcome to Elite CEU's YouTube series where we help you learn what you need to do to renew your license. My name is Chris and welcome to Florida. Elite CEU is approved to provide continuing education to contractors and both initial and continuing education to fire alarm system installers and burglar alarm system installers. These are two very different licenses with very different requirements. We'll start with the contractors. Okay, so the good news. Florida contractors are only required to complete 14 hours of education every 2 years. The confusing news, the state is very specific regarding their rules and regulations mandating what those 14 hours will be. 7 hours have to be of technical training. You have to complete 1 hour of workman's compensation, 1 hour of business practices, 1 hour regarding building code coursework, and 1 hour for Florida's rules and laws. If you are a certified or registered alarm installer or alarm contractor, you must also complete 2 hours of false alarm prevention. Not too bad, but you have to take those 14 hours. Now, once you take those 14 hours, Florida's a little different when it comes to the certificates. We're not actually going to send you a certificate. Florida mandates that we send them the course completions via their secured network. So that is something to kind of adapt to. It'll take about 3 or 4 days after we submit the information before it shows up on your account. That's something to keep in mind because your 2 years, it's this year. You must have completed your classes before August 31st. If you don't, then you get to play with the state on trying to get your license back up and running. Have fun with that one. Now, on the other side of this, we have the burglar alarm and the fire alarm system installers, completely different. You guys also have to complete 14 hours, but that's for your initial. You actually have to take a certification per license that will require a proctored exam at the end. Once that exam is completed, you will receive a certificate that is actually mailed, and then you have to make sure you have an up-to-date ID card, fingerprints, and background check. Then, every 2 years, you have to do it again. Except this time, it's only going to be 6 hours of required education. 6 hours of basically another certification. It won't require a proctored exam, but again, you must have a new ID card, you must have your fingerprints run again, and you have to do a whole new background check. That's a fun requirement, but gotta do it. Now remember, if you go over the 2-year mark, you have to start over at the beginning, so make sure you stay up to date on your 2-year renewal process. And that would be Florida. Remember, you can always visit our website at www.eliteceu.com and our amazing interactive map that lists everything I just told you. Let's be honest, you're still not going to do that. So you can, of course, call our office at 866-556-5512 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and speak to me. Have a great day, guys.